Hello, this is Inci Ruzybayev. I teach physics in Flagler College along with core courses. I'm from originally Turkey, and the way I got into physics major was a little different than most other physicists probably. In high school, I disliked physics, but I always loved math. And I think it was because the way it was taught was more like rote memorization instead of really trying to understand what's happening and all. I didn't even understand that physics was applied math. Over the years, after starting the university and all, I figured this out. I realized that physics was the thinking behind math, and I love math, solving puzzles, and that's how I started thinking about physics. But it was even more challenging because I had to learn physics and English at the same time. My university education was in English, so it was harder for me. I think exponentially hard. But what really helped me was my attitude. I think I tell this to my students as well. I tell them, don't say I can't do this. Say I'll figure it out. I'll find a way. That positive thinking really helped my brain look for solutions, because I'm telling myself I will find out instead of shutting off. And I think it's really important, especially for studying physics. And I don't want my students to just go for equation hunting. And from the experience over the years from high school, college, and the professional teaching, and even with my relationship with my colleagues and learning from them in conferences and all, over the years I developed strategies on solving problems. And my main goal is to teach them how to be critical and analytical thinkers instead of really applying an equation by memorizing it. So that's really what my professional development over the years taught me. And this is how I apply it to my teaching in Flagler College.